Unleash your inner cosmic artist and learn how to create mesmerizing slow orbit freeze motion within Higgsfield. First, let's establish the core of our scene. Select your primary object, the celestial body around which everything else will orbit. Now, choose your orbiting elements. These could be anything from glowing particles to smaller celestial bodies. Position them around your central object, setting up your initial spatial arrangements. To achieve the captivating orbital feel, we need to craft a smooth camera path. Access the camera tools and begin drawing a gentle, arcing path that encircles your central object. Think about creating a natural, flowing movement that gradually reveals your scene. You can adjust the tension and smoothness of this path to refine the orbital effect. The magic ingredient here is time manipulation. With your scene and camera path in place, locate the time control panel here. You'll find options to dramatically slow down the playback. Experiment with extreme slowdown values to create that distinct, almost suspended in time visual. Now, to integrate the freeze effect, we'll use keyframing. Place a keyframe on your time scale parameter before the desired freeze point, ensuring normal playback initially. Then, move forward in your timeline, set another keyframe, and drastically reduce the time scale to near zero. This creates the illusion of elements freezing in place during the orbit. Consider adding secondary animation to your orbiting elements before the freeze, perhaps a slight spin or a pulsing glow. Then, when the time scale drops, these subtle movements will appear almost imperceptibly slow, enhancing the dramatic pause. Play with varied speeds on your camera path and different levels of time deceleration to achieve unique artistic looks. Remember, subtle motion blur and careful lighting can elevate your slow orbit freeze to a truly cinematic spectacle.